Are you guys sick and tired of cleaning your robot from all the dust and dirt that you may be sick of? Well, I have the solution to your problem. It is this cheapest self-cleaning robot currently. This has ultra powerful 5300 PA suction, auto empty, dual navigation, no spots missed, carpet avoidance, smart cleaning, customizable cleaning, multi-floor cleaning, auto charging, voice and remote control. And this is the robot right here, auto home, power and spot cleaning. Then the top is the radar, then the bottom here is the wheel, 3 fall sensors, the brush here, and here is the wheels to go front and back. In the middle here is where you suck in the dirt with its brush, and here's how to remove it. All you need to do is just unclip it from the right and left side, and once you unclip it you can remove it. That's it, that's simple. And you can remove this brush here to clean. So I have used this, as you can see, for a few months, and all you need to do is just remove the hair that is there and some dust from it, and that's it, so that it will rotate easily without obstruction, which if not it may cause some issues. So you just see here there is this spot where you need to push into the side in the hole and just put it down. So then you just clip on and that's it. Right, so you just press in. At the back here you can pull out. This is the dustbin, and here's where the clip to remove it. So here is the manual on how to remove, to clean and whatnot. So here's where the water you should put in for mopping. So just pour water inside, and here is where you open to see the dustbin if you want to manually clean it. All right, then in front here you just right here you just unclip it, and you can see the HEPA filter where you can remove it and change it. All right, then the bottom here is where you remove the cloth for mopping. Alright, so first of all, it will scan your entire floor. It will not do any vacuuming or mopping. This is only one time, and once it's done, it will start cleaning. So from here you can see the map, where is your robot and where it has cleaned. If you can see the white highlight area. Okay, so here's where you do the setting. I've put 2 sets, vacuum power to max and water level high, and it's not ultra mode. I'm going to speed up the video so that it will be easier for you. Now, first set it will do is side to side and horizontal. The second set will be side to side and vertical. So as you can see, this is the first set. It has finished the side to side. Now it's going horizontal. Okay, so now it is starting the second set where it's going side to side and vertical. So here also it will show you the fall sensors, that it did not fall down my staircase. So this is how it works. Okay, so here we're going to test how near can the fall sensor detect. So as you can see, the fall sensor can't detect if it's too near to the ground.
Starting to charge.
At the top of the lid, here you'll find the dust bag, which contains the dust and dirt from your robot, and this is where you replace your dust bag. Okay, so here's a little bit extra function I'm going to show you. You go to the settings here and you go to current map editing. Here's how to merge rooms. So we can merge all these rooms like I'm showing here to make it the first room for it to clean, then the second room, and to the third room, so that it is easier for it to go back to charge at the last point. So you can see I've created this different room so that at the end it will be inside my room and it will charge it. You can do it manually, but this is easier and automatic. Reasons to buy. It will save time for your family time, or actually K-drama, or save money on hiring maids. It's cheaper to replace, and anytime, anywhere, you can start the robot to clean if you need to. The only thing you need to do is maintenance, which is you need to clean the sensors and buy consumables like HEPA filter, sweeper brush, mop cloth, and the dust bag for your auto cleaning. I highly recommend buying this robot because it is the cheapest in its range with the auto emptying feature. Would you buy this? Write in the comment section below, and if you want to buy it, I have the link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamer signing out.